Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add text to speech on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new post on TikTok. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to upload photos or videos from my gallery. For instance, I'm just going to upload a photo. I'm going to choose photo from this album. I'm gonna select this one guys and click on next. Okay, and I'm going to go to the TikTok editing by clicking on this icon, and then I'm going to add text to my post like this. I'm just going to type in hello everyone. Oops, sorry guys, I'm here. Okay, just like this. And if we want to add tags to speech, we just need to click on the tags until the text is active. As you can see by the outline that the text is active, and then we can go to the text to speech menu, and you can choose the voice you want to apply to your text to speech. Okay.
Hello Evarioni, I am here.
Okay, you
Hello
can
everyone,
choose.
I'm here.
You can choose the voice that you like.
Hello everyone, PM Herrick.
Hello everyone, I'm here.
Okay, for example
Hello
guys, I'm going to
everyone,
choose
I'm here.
this one, this voice, and if you have more than one text, you can select apply to all to apply this text to speech to all your text like this. All right, and this is the final result.
Hello everyone.
Wait, I'm going to remove the music.
Hello everyone, I'm here.
Okay, and then you can continue the editing. You can add sticker, effect, or filter. It's up to you. And once you're ready to share it, you can click on next, and you can add description for your TikTok post, and then you can click on post to upload this post to your TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add text to speech on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.